All right, when I first looked at this thing, I immediately thought, this is way too complicated for me. I've never made an espresso maker, but are you tired of going to the coffee shop and spending 20 bucks for a venti latte, venti vecta, whatever name they name their drinks nowadays? It's 20 bucks. 20 bucks for a drink when you can just pick up one of these and make it from home, and a lot cheaper. So we just grinded our beans, we put it in the portafinder, we actually tamped it down, and we are ready to go. I really just wanted to show you guys how easy it was. You get 3 buttons here. I'm being honest, at first I was intimidated. All you really have to do, put water in here, press the power button, wait till this gets to 198 degrees, which it does, and it did that fairly soon, probably like about 30 seconds to a minute. And then you want to decide, I want 1 cup or I want 2 cups. That's it. Now, the other thing that's cool is it does has its own frother or hot water. So if you need hot water, if you wanted to just make tea really quick, you could make tea. If you wanted to do hot chocolate, you could do hot chocolate right here, but we're not going to be doing that right now. I'm just going to show you guys how to do an espresso maker. But if you wanted to, you could fill this up. I'm going to show you that just by turning this knob right here, and you see that, and that water is coming out, and that water is extremely hot, 200 degrees water. So that's perfect for hot chocolate or whatever it is that you want. Now don't touch this part. Nope, ask me how I know. You want to make sure you're always touching that part. All right, along with this, you get a couple of different ones of these for the different types of coffee that you're going to be making as well. But today we're just going to be doing an espresso. This also comes in the kit as well with a little brush. But we're going to make an espresso. I don't have a little tiny espresso shot thing. One thing I will know is that this is a little bit too shallow for a coffee cup. So we're going fancy today. My wife's letting me borrow one of her cups, but she's actually standing over my shoulder, making sure that I don't wreck it, anything here. She's my supervisor in all things kitchen. All right. So really, it's that simple. You press the on button, you press, I'm going to make 1 cup right there. And I'm going to get 1 shot. You know what? I want another one. We're going to do a double shot. I'm tired today. All right. And just like that, I have a double shot of espresso ready to go. Now that's not ready to go. I gotta wait for it to cool down. But if you want to stop breaking the bank at the coffee shops and make your own, to me, I think this tastes just as good, if not better, depending on if I make it or my wife makes it. It tastes a lot better when she does than when I do. So you're good to go. So stop breaking the bank, get your own, and save a lot of money and time, and you're good.